AI/ML model, overall performance comparison across subjects. The stack bar is titled Overall Performance Comparison Across Subjects. Here's an explanation of the chart. AI model, architect. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Explanation. 1. Sample data. The dataset includes students and their scores across 4 different subjects: math, science, English, and history. You can customize this data to include other subjects or assessment types. 2. Bar charts. The program generates individual bar charts for each subject, comparing the performance of different students. Each bar chart is labeled with the subject name and displays the marks scored by each student. 3. Overall performance, stacked bar chart. A stacked bar chart is generated to show the overall performance of students across all subjects. This chart provides a visual comparison of how each student performs in different subjects, with each subject represented by a different color. 4. Customization. Subjects. You can add or remove subjects by modifying the data dictionary. Colors. The colors used in the stacked bar chart can be customized by changing the color parameter in the df.plot function. Rotation. The rotation of student names can be adjusted with the rotation parameter in the sticks function. Use case. Student performance comparison. This program is useful for comparing student performance across different subjects or assessment types. Class performance. The program can be adapted to compare the performance of different classes by replacing student names with class names and using average marks or other aggregate metrics. Visual output. Individual subject charts. Each chart shows how different students performed in a particular subject, making it easy to identify strengths and weaknesses. Stacked bar chart. The stacked bar chart provides an overall view of student performance across all subjects, highlighting differences in performance across the board. This code provides a simple yet powerful way to visualize and compare performance across different dimensions, whether it's between students, classes, or assessment types. The stack bar is titled Overall Performance Comparison Across Subjects. Here's an explanation of the chart. Chart overview. X-axis, horizontal. The x-axis represents different students: Ananya, Raj, Priya, Amit, Sneha, Vikas, Rahul, and Asha. Y-axis, vertical. The y-axis represents the total marks obtained by each student. The scale seems to go from 0 to 350 marks. Stacked bars. Each bar represents the overall performance of a student, with the total height of the bar corresponding to their cumulative marks across all subjects. Subjects. The different colors within each bar represent marks obtained in different subjects. The legend on the right side of the chart identifies the colors. Light blue, math. Green, science. Red, English. Pink, history. Interpretation. Sneha has the highest total marks, as indicated by the tallest bar. Asha has the lowest total marks. Each subject contributes differently to the total score for each student. For example, Sneha has high scores in all subjects, whereas some students have lower marks in specific subjects, example Amit in math. AI/ML model context. If this chart is part of an AI/ML model output. Feature contribution. The subjects could represent features, and the height of the bars could be analogous to feature importance or contribution to a predictive model. Performance metrics. The chart might visualize how well students, or models, perform across different evaluation metrics or subjects. In summary, the chart visually compares the overall performance of students across multiple subjects, with each subject's contribution clearly delineated within the stacked bars. This could help in identifying strengths and weaknesses across different areas, subjects. Thank you.